Welcome to our third and final SureTriggers video in this series. SureTriggers is a powerful automation platform that helps you connect your various plugins and apps. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on more important work. In the first video, we've covered how to set up SureTriggers and add a site to the MainWP dashboard using a contact form. In the second, we've shown how to suspend a child site when one of your paying clients cancels their subscription for a maintenance package. I will leave links to the first two videos in the description. So, we will bring this series to its natural conclusion by showing how to unsuspend a child site when your client renews their subscription for a maintenance package. As in the previous video, we will use two WordPress sites. One is where the MainWP dashboard is installed, and the other will be where WooCommerce and SureTriggers is set up. We assume you already have your SureTriggers plugin set up and the WooCommerce plugin with subscriptions configured on this WordPress site. And we'll assume you already have at least one child site added to your MainWP dashboard. Let's now start building our SureTriggers Unsuspend workflow. Navigate to SureTriggers on your WooCommerce site and click on the Create Workflow button. Give the workflow a name and click Start Building. First, we have to set up a trigger. Click the Add Trigger button, and now we'll select an app from which this trigger is going to come from. For this workflow, that's going to be WooCommerce subscriptions. Then we choose the event. User renews subscription. Let's move on to connections. Here, you will see a list of all connected WordPress sites. We have only connected this one where the WooCommerce is configured, so let's select it. Now, we're going to select the WooCommerce subscription product that we want to watch for renewals. Now we'll make a sample subscription renewal so the SureTriggers can see what data it should expect when it happens in the future. We'll navigate to a different tab where we have the WooCommerce subscription open, and we'll create a renewal order. Then, on the orders page, we will mark it as completed. Let's now navigate back to the SureTriggers tab. We can see that SureTriggers has detected the example renewal and fetched the related data. In the second video, we've created a new field in user metadata where we entered the child site ID of this subscriber. We've used that ID to suspend the site in that second video, and we will also use it now to unsuspend it. So let's add a new action that collects user metadata. Click the plus icon and search for WordPress. From the Select Event dropdown, we'll choose Find User Meta. From Connections, we again choose this WordPress site with WooCommerce installed. The following field is user email. To find the email of the user for which we made the example renewal, type in the @ symbol and find the user login entry in the list. Let's click the Test Action button to see if the user metadata, including our custom field for the child site ID, is showing correctly. All metadata seems to be here, including the field we created, so let's click Save and continue to the final step. Again, we click the plus icon, and here we're going to search for MainWP. From the Select Event dropdown, we're going to select Unsuspend Site. And in the Select Connection dropdown, we're going to select the MainWP dashboard that we connected using REST API to SureTriggers. Finally, in the Enter Site ID field, we'll type in the @ symbol to see the list of all data fetched in the previous actions. Here we're looking for the child site ID that we'll use to unsuspend sites. Let's select it. To test that the entire workflow behaves correctly, we'll test this final action and see if the site gets unsuspended on our dashboard. The response looks good, so let's verify it on our MainWP dashboard. We'll refresh the Manage Sites page, and we can see that the child site got unsuspended. Our workflow is working as intended. Let's go back to our SureTriggers tab, make a final save, and publish it. And that sums it up. Creating workflows is a breeze, both simple and user-friendly. With MainWP integration, you have a plethora of actions at your disposal, and SureTriggers expands your options with over 200 integrations, opening up limitless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP.